Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Fixaholic number 1. Today we're going to be doing a on this 2013 Honda Accord, and I've done pretty much got everything pretty much just hand tightened so I can have one hand to hold the camera. First of all, you want to do right back up in here is the plug. You want to just mash this part in. Mash it in. It's got a little push tab. So you mash that little push tab in, and it disconnects from here. Then from there, you got a bracket that it sits in. See the bracket that it sits in? So what you should do is just pops right out. It sits in there like so, and you just mash it and it pops out. Then, next step, let me back up a little bit. The tools you're going to need is a size 10 millimeter. Let me get it right. Let me see if I can focus this so you can see it. Okay, it's a 10 millimeter. I can't focus it, but that's what it is. It's a 10 millimeter socket, and with an extension. My extension, I have a long one so I can sit back, back out here and loosen this bolt right here, this bolt bracket. You want to loosen that bolt bracket. Like I say, I already done loosened it. You want to loosen that bolt bracket all the way loose, and put the screw somewhere where you won't lose it, so you're going to need to put it back. Okay, that part is done. You just pull that right out. That bracket sits right in there. See that split? Let me see if I can show you better. Get my light situated. Okay, I'm going to come around on this side. And that bracket sits right in there just like that. You see? It sits in there like that. Pull that out. And then from there, you're going to have this part here. It's mounted on your shock. What you can do, you just pull that out. Pull it toward the front of the car. See how it pulled out? Let me see, right here. Let me reposition my light. See if I can show y'all that better. Okay. It's got a little slot right there. It just pulls right out. Just like that there. See the slot? This little slot right here, it slides in here. Okay, from there, you come around to the other side. Let me reposition my light. And this is on the other side. It's got a little push tab right here on top. You take a screwdriver, which is another tool you're going to need, and push that little tab down right here. It's on top. Push that little tab down, and then this pull right out, just like so. Next step, you come down in here. Now this is where your sensor's at. Right here's your sensor. It's also a 10 millimeter bolt. You loosen it. Like I say, these bolts here, Make sure you put these bolts somewhere where you will not lose them, because you're gonna need them to reinstall it. Pull that all the way out. I'm just gonna lay that bolt right there, and then this pulls out. Your sensor pulls out, and that's it. See your sensor? That's the old sensor. That's the old sensor here. And right here's my new sensor. I'm gonna make sure that it looks, pretty much like the old one. And you just install it back the way you took it out. And that about do that. That I forgot to mention. You want to unplug your battery before you do any of that I just done. I forgot, but it'll be okay. But that's the first step. Unplug your battery. They say before you unplug anything on these Honda's Accord, it's best to unplug the battery, but it'll be okay. But just make sure you don't miss that step. Okay.